When a pipe bursts at 2 in the morning or your car breaks down on a deserted road, the last thing you want is a toolbox full of the wrong wrenches. Today, we are hunting down the ultimate emergency adjustable wrench that could literally save the day when disaster strikes. Number 7. SEDY Adjustable Wrench. When I first pulled this wrench out of its packaging, the chrome-plated finish gave it a nice, polished look that suggested a level of premium craftsmanship. It felt decent in the hand, and the knurl adjustment dial turned relatively smoothly right out of the box. I immediately put it to work on some basic household plumbing fittings, just to get a feel for its baseline performance in a standard low-stress environment. For simple everyday tasks where torque isn't a massive factor, the SEDY does get the job done and fits securely enough around standard hex nuts. However, the moment I transitioned from light duty to a simulated emergency scenario, the limitations of this tool became painfully obvious. When dealing with a stubborn, rusted bolt on an old car battery terminal, the jaw play was significantly more pronounced than I had hoped. The movable jaw shifted slightly under pressure, which is a massive red flag when you are trying to avoid rounding off a critical fastener. In an emergency, precision is everything, and the SEDY struggled to maintain that tight, uncompromising grip I desperately needed. Furthermore, the handle design leaves a lot to be desired during extended or high-torque use. It features a standard metal grip without any ergonomic coating or cushioning, which meant that as my palms got sweaty while working on a simulated roadside repair, my grip started to slip. If you are freezing in the rain trying to fix a blown tire or a loose suspension bolt, this lack of grip could easily lead to busted knuckles. I found myself having to reposition my hand multiple times just to get a solid purchase on the handle. 6. Amazon Basics Locking Adjustable Wrench. The concept here is actually brilliant, attempting to combine the versatility of an adjustable wrench with the vice-like grip of locking pliers. When I first engaged the locking mechanism, I was genuinely impressed by the audible snap and the firm hold it provided on a clean, perfectly square piece of bar stock. The 10-inch length provides an excellent amount of leverage, which is precisely what you need when dealing with large, seized bolts on heavy machinery or robust plumbing fixtures. But testing this in the real world quickly revealed the flaws in its execution. I took this wrench out to a salvage yard to test it on some weathered, oxidized automotive suspension components. While the locking feature is supposed to eliminate jaw slip, the actual adjustment gear was surprisingly gritty and rough. Before I could even lock the wrench down, getting the jaw to slide smoothly to the exact millimeter of the bolt was an absolute chore. It constantly bound up, forcing me to wiggle the mechanism just to get it set. Once it was finally locked onto the bolt, another glaring issue presented itself. The locking lever on the back of the handle is quite prominent, and as I applied maximum downward force to break the rusty bolt free, the palm of my hand pressed directly against the release lever. This resulted in the wrench suddenly popping open under heavy load, causing my hand to smash right into the wheel well. An emergency tool should be foolproof, and having a release mechanism so easily triggered by natural gripping pressure is a severe design flaw. 5. WORKPRO Adjustable Wrench. This is where we start seeing a noticeable jump in reliability and overall build quality. Taking this wrench out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the beautifully machined surface and the heft of the forged chrome vanadium steel. It feels incredibly solid in the hand without being overly heavy, hitting that sweet spot for an 8-inch tool. I started my tests with this wrench on some indoor plumbing tasks, specifically tightening some stubborn water heater connections, and it performed beautifully. The adjustment knurl on the WORKPRO is remarkably smooth, allowing for quick, single-handed adjustments. This is a massive advantage in an emergency when you might be holding a flashlight or a leaking pipe with your other hand. The jaws slide open and closed with a satisfying precision, showing very minimal lateral play compared to our previous entries. When I locked it onto a hex nut, it bit down hard and stayed there, giving me the confidence to apply serious torque without the fear of rounding off the edges. One of my favorite aspects of this wrench is the ergonomic handle design. Unlike the bare metal of the SEDY, the WORKPRO features a subtle texturing on the steel handle that genuinely improves grip. During a simulated scenario where my hands were slick with motor oil, I was still able to maintain a firm, commanding hold on the tool. This 8-inch size is incredibly versatile, making it small enough to maneuver into tight engine bays, but long enough to provide the leverage needed for tougher, rusted fasteners. Four, Evil Energy Wrench. This tool brings something completely different to the table, specifically targeting those who deal with automotive and plumbing fittings where traditional steel wrenches might cause damage. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, my first impression was almost of disbelief at how little it weighed. But do not let the lack of weight fool you. This wrench is an absolute powerhouse for its intended purpose. I immediately tested it on some delicate AN fittings on a fuel line, which are notoriously easy to scratch and ruin with standard steel tools. The Evil Energy Wrench performed like an absolute dream on these specialized aluminum fittings. The jaws are perfectly flat and smooth, ensuring a massive contact patch that distributes force evenly across the fastener. When you are in an emergency situation dealing with a busted fuel line or a custom coolant system, the last thing you want to do is crack the fitting by using the wrong tool. This wrench grabbed the anodized aluminum securely and allowed me to loosen and tighten the connections without leaving a single mark or scratch. What makes this wrench particularly suited for emergency kits is its incredibly wide jaw capacity relative to its size. The adjustment mechanism is uniquely designed, often utilizing a slide and lock or wide track gear that opens up far wider than a standard 8-inch steel wrench. I was able to use this on large PVC plumbing unions under a kitchen sink that were completely seized up. The lightweight nature of the tool meant my arm didn't get fatigued even when working overhead in a cramped, awkward position for over 20 minutes. The vibrant anodized finish isn't just for show either. During my testing, I accidentally dropped this wrench into a muddy puddle while working outside. 3. Olympia Tools Adjustable Wrench. This is the definition of a classic, heavy-duty, no-nonsense hand tool. As soon as I picked it up, I could feel the generations of tool-making heritage behind its design. It is forged from drop-forged alloy steel and treated to withstand brutal, uncompromising punishment. I decided to test the Olympia on a piece of farm equipment that had been sitting out in the rain for years. The bolts were practically fused to the metal with rust, representing the ultimate worst-case emergency scenario. The Olympia wrench tackled this nightmare with shocking ease. The jaw tolerances on this tool are incredibly tight. When you set the knurl to your desired width, it locks into place with practically zero wiggle room. This allowed me to wrap the jaws tightly around the rusted bolt and apply maximum body weight to the handle. The tool didn't flex, the jaws didn't slip, and the bolt cracked loose with a loud pop. It is this kind of raw, unflinching strength that you desperately want on your side when you are miles from a mechanic. Furthermore, the handle length provides an extraordinary amount of torque. It is engineered with a slightly wider, flat profile that distributes the pressure perfectly across the palm of your hand. Even without a rubberized grip, I never felt the metal biting into my skin, even when pushing with everything I had. The fully polished chrome finish is impeccable, not only looking professional, but making the tool incredibly easy to clean. After getting it covered in thick black grease, a simple wipe with a shop rag had it looking brand new again. The knurl mechanism is large and heavily textured, making it incredibly easy to operate, even if you are wearing heavy, thick leather work gloves. 2. Bahco BAH9031RUS. Bahco essentially invented the adjustable wrench, and holding the 9031 in your hand, you can immediately tell you are holding a premium, professional-grade instrument. I was absolutely blown away by the massive jaw capacity on this relatively compact wrench. It opens up wider than wrenches twice its size, making it one of the most versatile single tools you can possibly own. I used it to tackle massive commercial plumbing nuts that normally require a massive, heavy pipe wrench. The performance is nothing short of spectacular. The jaws on the Bahco are completely smooth and remarkably thin at the tips. This slim jaw profile allowed me to reach into incredibly tight clearances on a complex manifold system where a traditional bulky wrench simply wouldn't fit. Despite the thin profile, the strength of the Swedish steel is unbelievable. I applied heavy torque to a low-profile lock nut, and the jaws did not deflect or bend even a fraction of a millimeter. It delivers surgical precision combined with industrial strength. The rubberized ergo handle on the BAH9031RUS is a masterclass in tool design. During a simulated emergency repair in the pouring rain, this handle grip was the star of the show. The thermoplastic elastomer prevents the tool from slipping out of wet or oily hands, and it absorbs a significant amount of shock when you're applying high force. It feels like an extension of your arm, drastically reducing hand fatigue during long, stressful repair sessions. I could work with this tool all day without a single blister. The adjustment screw is butter smooth and features a clever left-turning mechanism that ensures the jaw stays exactly where you set it, even when repeatedly taking it off and putting it back on a fastener. 1. WORKPRO Adjustable Wrench. When it comes to emergency preparedness, having options is just as important as having quality, and this set delivers the ultimate 1-2 punch. Right out of the package, you receive 2 premium wrenches featuring ultra-wide jaw capacities that rival the most expensive tools on the market. I put both of these wrenches through a grueling series of tests, spanning automotive, plumbing, and heavy construction tasks, and they dominated every single category. The extra-wide jaws are the real game changers here. The larger wrench easily swallowed massive plumbing fittings and huge tractor bolts that would leave standard wrenches completely useless. Despite this massive capacity, the jaws remain relatively low profile, allowing me to slip them into confined spaces behind a dashboard during a simulated heater core bypass emergency. The dual set means you always have the perfect size for the job, or crucially, you have a secondary wrench to hold a backing nut while you tighten the primary bolt. The build quality is phenomenal. Forged from high-strength carbon steel and finished with a flawless, corrosion-resistant coating, these wrenches survived being tossed in mud, dropped on concrete, and pushed to their absolute torque limits. The adjustment gear is tightly machined, providing a smooth, rapid glide with practically zero jaw play. When I locked the smaller wrench onto a stripped, stubborn bolt, the precision machine teeth inside the jaw bit down with an incredible grip, allowing me to extract the damaged fastener without slipping once. What truly sets this WORKPRO set apart is the ergonomic rubberized grip handles. They are heavily contoured to fit the natural shape of your hand, providing immense comfort and slip resistance. While testing them covered in slick hydraulic fluid, the grip held firm, allowing me to apply massive leverage safely.